How's it going, everybody? Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out SVE's quad tip axle back exhaust kit designed for the 13 to 14 GT500s and of course the 13 to 14 GTs with the GT500 rear valance. SVE's quad tip axle back exhaust kit is going to appeal to the 2013 to 2014 GT500s out there, or the 13 to 14 GT owners that have converted to the GT500 rear valance and are looking for a quality axle back that won't break the bank. Out of the box, you'll notice the outstanding workmanship for such a moderately priced kit compared to others in the quad tip category. Each muffler is constructed from quality stainless steel to resist corrosion and of course supply years of enjoyment. The muffler itself is a round, straight through design, so it's going to offer a deep rumble at idle and opens up a tad when you put the pedal to the metal. Welded to each muffler are two polished tips that measure 4 inches in diameter, and they are a dual wall design and of course are offset to nicely fill out the rear valance. Currently, these mufflers are available by themselves or in a kit with the GT500 rear valance. If you're replacing a set of factory mufflers, you will have to remove the welded on clamp from those mufflers. Now, for any of you GT owners out there converting to the GT500 quad tip valance, cutting of the rear bumper will be required. As far as the installation goes, guys, this being an axle back, it's pretty straightforward. You'll support the rear of the car and then lubricate the rubber hangers. To remove the muffler, loosen the 13mm bolt on the clamp. In order to make life a little bit easier, loosen the 15mm nuts on the exhaust sleeve that connects the mid-pipe and the over the axle pipe. The two 15mm bolts securing the panhard bar brace to the body need to be removed as well. Then you'll want to loosen the 18mm nut on the driver's side to allow the brace to drop down. Go ahead and separate the axle pipe from the muffler. Remove the rearward hanger from the muffler. Then push the muffler out of the frontward hangers and then it's free to come out of the car. If needed, cut the clamps off of each factory muffler. Grind or file down any rough areas. Before installing the SVE mufflers, lubricate each hanger location again. Pass the muffler through the frontward hangers first. Then install the rearward hanger. Install the clamp over the new muffler. Align the axle pipe with the new muffler. At this time, you can realign the axle pipe and then re-tighten the exhaust sleeve. Ensure that the tips are even and properly aligned, and then you can tighten down the muffler to axle pipe clamp. Do the same for the other muffler. Reinstall the panhard bar brace and then re-tighten the hardware. Get the car on the ground and then you're good to go. All right, guys, I've got this SVE quad tip axle back installed onto my 2014 GT. Now, the car still does have factory resonators and catalytic converters, with the only exhaust modification being a Ford Performance clamp on X-pipe. So what do you say? Let's get the car outside and check out some sound clips. Wrapping everything up here, fellas, I really like this SVE quad tip axle back, especially because of the price when you compare it to other quad tip offerings in the category. Now, because of its round, straight through design, expect some drone around the 2100 to 2400 RPM mark. Other than that, you really can't go wrong with this SVE quad tip axle back exhaust kit. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Light.